Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do kickflip. It's pretty simple. It's kind of an ollie. Well, when you're doing ollie, you're going to mid leg. But when you're doing the kickflip, you're going here if you're golf. But if you're regular, you're going here. So I don't know how to draw leg regular still. Well, they are always kind of like this. So we don't need to complain about that. Would you start? Wait. Zoom it out. Okay. Let's do the kickflip. I don't know how to land kickflip, but I will do kickflip. Because I was driving skateboard for 3 weeks. Okay, now feel my legs. I know how to land it. Let's do this again. What are you doing? No. Oh! Oh. Okay. That's all for today. See you guys.